Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we asked to factorize this question. For you to factorize this question, you need to know the standard form of quadratic equation. Okay, since the standard form of quadratic equation is equals to ax plus bx plus c is equals to 0. That's the standard form of quadratic equation. And in this question, if you look at this, is 3x squared plus 25x minus 18 is equals to 0. That is the x now is having coefficient. Therefore, you must multiply this 3 times 18. Had it been this x doesn't contain any coefficient, then you cannot. If the coefficient of x here is 1, then you cannot multiply with this 18. Therefore, now let's go into the question. Okay. Now we say solution. We have 3x squared plus 25x minus 18 is equals to 0. Now we multiply 3 times 18. 3 times 18 we get 54. We find two numbers. If we multiply we get 54. If we add or subtract we get plus 25. That is the two number will be, let's say the number will be, let's say 27 times 2. 27 times 2, I think this is 54. Okay, then we can replace 2 times 27 times 2 is 54. That is minus 27, and all we can say is plus 27 minus 2 will be 25. Now we replace here with plus 27 minus 2. There we have 3x squared plus 27x minus 2x minus 18 is equals to 0. That's the second step. The next step, now we can factorize. That is, we have 3 here, we have 3 here. We have 3 x outside the bracket. Inside we have x. We can say we have plus. Then we say we have plus. How many 3 do you have in 27? Here we have 9. 3 times 9 is 27. We have plus 2x plus 2. Let's say x in bracket plus. How many 2 do you have in 18? It can go 9 times. This is equals to 0. Now we can collect, since the two brackets are equal, then we can collect 3x minus 2 and x plus 9 is equals to 0. That is the two value of x here we have. It is either 3x minus 2 is equals to 0, or x plus 9 is equals to 0, where 3x minus 2 will be here can be equals to 2. That is, we divide both side by 3. X will be equals to 2 over 3, or x is equals to 9. That is minus 9 when taking x to the right hand side. Therefore, the two value of x we find in the question, we find it is either x is equals to 2 over 3, or x is equals to minus 9. That's the two value of x. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more video. Bye bye.